Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own wig with 3 bundles and a closure. Let's get into it. You'll need a few things: a wig cap, thread, needles and pin, your mannequin head, and of course RC deep wave bundles and HD closure. Let's start with the wig cap. LOL y'all, watch me struggle put this cap on the mannequin. Watch this. This is the RC Deep Wave HD closure. I'm just brushing through it. And y'all see that? No shedding. I just grab my spray bottle, wet it down, and watch this. Y'all see it transform back to deep wave pattern? Look at that. Look at it. No shedding, just water. Y'all better shop RC hair. I'm going to drop the link in the description.
My mind, it runs. All these thoughts of trouble need fighting to give up.
Now you'll need your pins. I plan on cutting about a few centimeters off the lace, so I'm going to pin where I'm going to start to sew.
Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time. I need a free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now.
And I'm just braiding the hair out the way, nothing fancy, but I don't want it to get trapped as I sew down the closure. So I braid all the way to the ends and just pin it up.
Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Mind with this system you cannot pray. I need to find relief.
I'm going to use about 2 centimeters of the lace to sew down with my needle and thread. Then you want to use your needle to go under the cap first, and you want to, what I call the hump method, you want to hump the lace. Then you want to go through the cap again. Make sure the end of your thread is double knotted, and then you want to go between the thread like so. And pull. Make sure it's secure, and you should be good. I just want to explain what the hump method is. It hides the thread between the cap and the lace, and you don't have to worry about any hair getting trapped as you sew.
Should I come through? Can I come kick with you? 2 a.m. again and I'm thinking about it's 2 a.m. and I'm stuck up thinking about the last time you were behind me, all in the mirror. I could see everything you would be doing. I could see everything looking at me like you love me. No, you don't love me. Never care long as I come first. You come on time, I reverse. You rewind, do it again. Stuck in time, do it again. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, hey. You don't ever come. Why you never come? Will you ever come? Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Why you never come to me? Why you never come to me? Why you never come to me? No, it's my time, it's your turn. I know you're right. I know it burns to be in love. I know it burns to be another one of your girls on the side like that. I know you're kind, how you lie like that. I know you're mine.
And you want to continue the hump method all the way through.
Guess you was right when you put it like that. I know now, I get the point. I hear you loud and clear.
You can't see the thread. No hair is getting trapped. Let me know if you guys tried the hump method and how it worked for you.
got to move on, cause you got me fucked up. I am confused. From this point on, trust nobody, yeah. Out of my body, blowing my fuse, devil, please cut me loose, please cut me loose, oh. Come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, hey. You don't ever come, why you never come? Will you ever come? Come and see me for once, come and see me for once. Why you never come to me, no? Why you never come to me? Why you never come to me, no? Wait, 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 wait for you. Never too late, late, fall through. It's 2 a.m., and I'm on you, thinking about you. Never knew another than you again. It's 2 a.m. and I'm fresh. That is how I show on. It's 2 a.m., it's 2 a.m. again.
Now that we're at the end, you actually want to hump the lace first, then go through the cap, secure your knot.
You know you can get away with anything because I'll be okay with it. Feeling so relaxed with you right now, and baby, I just wanna stay with it. It's okay, cause I've learned to be looser. I just hope I don't end up a loser. Going in the right direction, maybe I just gotta wait for it. I can't help it, you're in my soft spot. My heart melted, you made a soft spot.
Once you secure the last hump, you want to go through the cap,
You're in my soft spot. My heart melted, you made a soft spot. I'd rather spend my time hanging with you than trying to get to know another. They're not like you. I'm learning to control my feelings.
Lastly, you want to take your wig off your mannequin head, double knot the thread, make sure it's secure, and that's the hump method. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
I need to know that you still got some feelings to discover. I can't help it, you're in my soft spot. My heart melted, you made a soft spot. I can't help it, you're in my soft spot. My heart melted, you made a soft spot. I can't help it, whoa.
Look at that. That closure is not going nowhere, honey. I just want to recap the closure and the hump method. You can't see the thread. No hair is getting trapped. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Now for the bundles, I'm going to sew it to the cap, and I'm going to go through the width twice and sew along the bottom of the cap. You can also see that I place pins on each side of the mannequin head, and that is just to start and finish of each layer of the bundle.
My heart melted, you made a soft spot. I can't help it, you're in my soft spot. My heart melted, you made a soft spot. I can't help it,
At the end of each layer, I go through the width twice to help flatten the bundle, and I double knot it, and then I'm going straight into my second layer, placing a new pin on the side of the mannequin. a lot of people use chalk on their wig cap. Personally, I just think that's a waste of time. I just use my thumb to measure the space in between each layer and sew.
I can read your silence when everything is a riot. You're my peace and quiet. All around we go. Your loving is like a kaleidoscope.
And at every end, I go through the width and I double knot it to help lay the bundle flat.
Wanna seize the throne, but what would you do with all that control? I don't wanna come down, keep spinning me around and round and round and round. Word on the street, you got hoes. I disappear like El Chapo. Till you said you would cut off the whole world. If little on me would be yours. Mira, mira, míralo. Papi está rico, papi está guapo. The world's been asking us to lose control. All we ever do is French like Brigitte Bardot. All around we go. Your loving is like a kaleidoscope. I don't wanna come down. Keep spinning me round and round and round and round and round. Wanna seize the throne, but what would you do with all that control? I don't wanna come down. Keep spinning me round and round and round and round and round.
And as you can see, I'm still using my thumb to measure and pins to help keep that placement.
You're driving me crazy. Although I say nothing concise me. Place the spark in my life back. Now I want to show you how I thank that. Don't think you can lie. I can see through your mind. Don't lose this. We have it all. All around we go. Your loving is like a
I do want to mention that when I get done with each layer, I do check to make sure the thread is not loose between each sew, and I just pull to tighten. So I just want to recap the first bundle, and I'm showing y'all the spacing with my thumb and the consistency of it.
We got London on the track.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
So I didn't record me sewing down the second bundle. I did not use my thumb, I used pins, and I just kind of winged how much space was in between. But this is how much space is left for the third bundle, and I'm going to make all of it fit.
Need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, but my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body.
This is the last bundle, and I want to show y'all how amazing this hair is.
My body saying, I don't know.
Just some water, and I'm brushing through it, no shedding, and it's right back to its normal pattern.
But you got me going crazy. This is you, it's so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Gotta last till my body's so crazy.
Now for the last bundle, I just pick up where I left off from the second bundle, and I just go right into sewing on the cap.
Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed, but my heart, my mind, and my body say my mind and my body say.
So this is how much space I have left, and I have a lot more hair to sew down. Whew. So I'm just measuring it to see how I'm going to sew the rest of the hair, y'all.
I know you ain't gotta talk, alright. I know you ain't gotta talk, alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you.
This is how close I got to the closure of sewing it down. Don't be upset with me. I didn't take any pictures of the wig unit by itself, but this is the outcome. Boom. Thank you for watching. Check me installing this wig unit out and like and subscribe for more.